Hey, let me show you how you can connect jack headphones into your OnePlus Nord CE5. So as you know, there's no headphone jack, but you can still use them by using this USB-C into the jack adapter. So I've got this one, and you have to just plug it in into the USB-C port. And right now, just plug this headphones into your adapter. And as you can see right now, wait a minute, and right now we are successfully connected. When I'm gonna open my quick settings, I can find the headphones icon. So what doesn't mean that I'm connected to the headphones. And now when I'm gonna unplug that adapter, it will change to the phone speaker. So it means that we were successfully connected. And if you don't have this adapter, you can just purchase this one from websites like Amazon, AliExpress, Temu, or basically any other marketplace. So it's like very cheap adapter, but it works fine. I've got also the DAC adapter, so there's like a little bit better sound quality, and you can also still use it with this device.